Hello beautiful, welcome to a brand new year. Welcome to the beauty headquarters. Welcome to this beautiful channel. It's so good to have you here. Happy New Year. Yes, and we're starting off the new year with a very simple eyeshadow look, and I do hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. So first things first, I went in with the Flawlessivy eyeshadow base, and I'm going to make sure I am really blend this in very well, because if you do not blend in your eyeshadow very well, you're not going to like the results. This is a base. Next, I'm going in with a brown eyeshadow to create a transition, and the palette I'm using is the Blossom Makeup eyeshadow palette. Okay, next I went in with a black on the outer V just to give it some depth, okay, because the brown in there are not really giving me what I want. So afterwards, I'm going to use my brush that I used to pick up the base to blend the eyeshadow primer on the base already. Okay, I'm going to make sure I blend that in very well, and as you can see, I had to zoom in properly so that we can have a proper view. Alright, next I'm going in with that yellow shimmer shade, and it's so beautiful and gorgeous on her beautiful brown skin tone. It's a very beautiful look. If you would like to see the full tutorial, please head on over to our Instagram page at _beautyhq. We have beautiful tutorials on there. So to take this look further, I did go in with a pigment, a white pigment, okay, and I made sure it was a very scanty application, nothing too much. I had to zoom you guys in and focus on it very much, so you can see it's a very scattered pigment, okay, just to take the look up a notch. Next, I went in with that Karite gel liner, very precise, and it dries down instantly and it doesn't move. So I'm just going to line the eyes, do the upper and the lower line as well. Okay, and you can see how it is taking the eye look up a notch. It is so beautiful. This eye look is amazing. Can you see that? Okay, can you tell the difference between the other eye and the other eye? Let me give you a minute to do that. While you're thinking about that, we're going to apply mascara on her beautiful well-coated lashes, and afterwards we're going to smudge the lower line. I did go in with a black liner, of course, if you guessed right. Then I'm going to go in with a brown to smudge the black eyeliner that is already applied. And afterwards, I did apply the lashes off camera, and the full look is coming right up. Thank you so much for watching. This is a very beautiful year, and I can't wait to take you on a beautiful journey. Please let me know what you'd like to see over on our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, please do make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.